there, little bird. It's a bird. It's a bird.
Another bridge.
Ow, come on! Another bridge. I hate bridges. Bridges? Bridges? I hate bridges. This one's short this time. Nature is beautiful. Look at all the lily pads out there. I should be keeping an eye out for frogs. Looks like we've spotted the wild rock. Hey, rock. I told you it don't look like a dog head. Nature is beautiful. Me just walking pretty much through nature. Beautiful. Beautiful indeed. Beautiful nature. Yes, it is. It is beautiful nature. Beautiful. Beautiful. Trees beautiful. Ground's beautiful. Well, kind of. There's a whole bunch of dirt. Okay, we're coming out in a dirt. Just want you to know, goodbye.